we've had a problem here.
Human beings can alter the course of their life. Human beings can live one way for 5 years, tear up that script, live a totally different way the next 5 years.
Just want to show you this to give you a little of extra inspiration. This is going to be the visual, it's going to be the visual personal development journal. So I'm going to be writing the ideas and weird dreams. And this is going to be like the templates for my personal development execution prompts. And this is going to be the stove where I'm going to be setting up my priorities. And look at this. Okay, I have the journal here. I'm not quite sure what to write in one linea per dia, but I don't know. But I think it's going to be like the same as we have here, but like the title maybe. And then in the notes, I'm going to show the notes. We're going to have the notes here, maybe. Just, they have some ideas here at the end, but I'm still reading about it. And my favorite part is the habit tracker over here. Look, this is going to be nice. The habit tracker is going to be like this.